Hi everybody, welcome to Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today we have a request from Mr. Jacob's class. Today we're going to draw Mario from Super Mario Brothers. We're going to draw with our paper portrait, so it's taller than it is wide. You'll need a pencil and eraser if you want to color it later. You may need colored pencils or markers or crayons, whatever you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and get started so I don't run out of time. I'm going to put my eraser on. I'm a little tired, so we're going to put, I'm still in a good mood though, so we'll put the eraser on Green Zone Snoopy. Put the pencil over there on my workstation. And the paper is ready on top of Kylo Ren. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a circle near the middle of the page. Just a circle. Next to the circle on the right side, this would be your left. See the L? Left. On the right side of the circle, we're going to draw an oval. Inside the oval, a semicircle. Inside of the semicircle, another semicircle. And then we're going to color this in because that's the black part of the eye. We'll leave a little circle open, color that in. Now Mario has two eyes. The other one is going to be on the other side of the nose. Part of it's going to be hidden by this nose though, so we're going to draw a curved line coming up from the side. Come back down. Semicircle inside here. Another semicircle. And color that in. Now Mario is incredibly well known because of his mustache. So underneath his nose, we're going to draw a slightly curved line coming up that way, and a slightly shorter curved line going out the other side. We're going to connect those 2 points with a wavy line. Now, the mustache is black. I'll pause it later to color it in. I don't want you to watch me color it for 30 seconds. Underneath the mouth, under the mustache, we're going to draw another semicircle for his mouth. Inside that, we're going to draw a curved line going back. That's his tongue. So we got a lot of the face. Above his eyes, we're going to draw eyebrows. Curved line over both of them, and then another curved line to connect the top. Those are also black. They're a little easier to color in now, so I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, what we're going to do next is draw his hat. We're going to start just to the left of this eyebrow. And draw a curved line that's going to go up and come all the way back over here. And this point is going to connect to this point with a curved line. It's going to go right above his eyebrows. Now that's the brim of his hat. We're going to come and draw the rest of his head and then finish the hat. Just needed to know where that was. So we're going to come down and go back out, but we're going to let some of the mustache stick out on the side. Draw a cheek, curved line. Under the mouth, we're going to come down just a little bit for a chin. Come down around, a little bit of a cheek. We're going to come up towards the mustache. And we're going to draw an ear. It's going to be a curved line that comes around and connects to that cheek right there. Inside the ear, we draw a curved line and another curved line. On the other side, we're also going to draw the other ear. It's going to curve line comes up and back. We wouldn't see the inside of his ear though, because it's facing away from us. It's got a little bit of a sideburn that goes up on that side, and on this side we're going to draw a little bit of a sideburn, straight line down, and connect to the ear. Now, between this point and the ear, we want to draw a straight line, diagonal. And then we're going to come back over here to this big curve line we have. We're going to draw the top of his hat, curve, and it's going to come down, and then curve back out a little bit, and come down into his ear. Above this, I'm going to draw a curve line, goes around the brim of the hat just so that there's a bottom and a top part. And above this, I'm going to draw another semicircle. And inside this semicircle, we're going to draw a zigzag. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Underneath that zigzag, same thing. Zig, zag, zig, zag. And connect the bottoms. M for Mario. Okay, under this cheek, we're going to draw a diagonal line. And it's going to curve back. And up here where it started, we're going to come down just a bit, a curve line, curve towards the outside, come back from that point, draw a diagonal line, and connect these two with a curve line. Draw another curve line around it. Curve line down, and we're going to draw a curve line to complete that finger, another curve line for that finger, and oval for a thumb, curve line for the last finger. Most cartoon characters have 4 fingers. Curve line to finish the hand, and connect that. Figure out where the shoulder is. Imagine you're drawing, come down. So I'm up here, I've got his arm and his shoulder, but he wears overalls. So what we're going to do is come up under his chin again, his cheek, draw a curve line. It's going to come down and around, and go back up. We're going to do the same thing over here under this cheek. Curve line down, make it about the same length. Curve line, come back up. Bottom of these 2 curved lines, some buttons, they're circles, and then straight line across. Draw a curved line, there's overalls there. And under this curve, under that point where we're at, we're going to draw a slightly curved line all the way to the bottom of our paper. Draw a pants line, curve line, or I'm sorry, that's a straight line, and another curved line across. These are where his legs start, but they come off the page. We need his other arm, come over here. A curve line. I'm going to copy this part of his glove over here. Another round line. We're just going to see a little bit of this glove over here. I've got to connect those. I'm going to draw kind of a jelly bean shape over there for that part of his glove. Curve line to make it look more like an arm. And that's Mario, but I want to add some things that Mario is famous for around him. So up in this corner, I'm going to draw an angle, and another angle, another angle, another angle. I think you're guessing what that's going to be. One final angle. I could have said we were drawing a star, but sometimes I have students that really, first thing they want to tell me is that they can't draw a star. Well, we can draw 5 angles, right? Those aren't that hard. You put those 5 angles together, you have a star. Our star is going to have eyes, so draw really skinny ovals. Over here, we're going to draw a curvy line. Another curvy line that looks a lot like it on the other side. Semicircles under those. A couple of circles inside of those. And kind of a mushroom shape around it. I'll show you what I mean. You come down, go out, go down. Oops. Kind of like a mushroom, a frown, a couple of teeth, a skinny body, and a couple of feet. And it's okay if they go off the paper. That's something else from Super Mario Brothers. And then one more I think we have time for. How about over here? Diagonal line, another diagonal line right under it. Connect it with 2 straight lines. Diagonal line, diagonal line. Connect it with a straight line. Diagonal line, diagonal line. So we made a cube. And on the cube we're going to draw a question mark. So we're going to draw a curve that goes out and back and straight line down. Under that we're going to draw the same thing. Curve line, straight line down. Connect those and draw a circle. Do the same thing on this side. Curve line, down, down, connect, dot. Do it up here too. Curve line, straight, straight, connect, connect, dot. And I think that's all we have time for this picture of Mario. I hope that the artist that requested it enjoyed it. Oh, hold on, I'm going to pause and color in his mustache real quick. I did promise that. Okay, so there's Mario with his mustache colored in. I'm not going to color the rest of it because I'm hoping that maybe one of the teachers can make it into a coloring sheet for you. Hold on, I see something else. Okay, I just realized that I didn't color in his hair. That's all I'm going to color. That way, hopefully you'll have some coloring sheets if you earn some free time, and you can color Mario. Alright, that's fun drawing with Mr. I can say this. Happy drawing. Have a great weekend, everybody. I will see you next week.